So, hello everyone. This finite state machine definition. A finite state machine is a model of computation used to design both computer programs and digital logic circuits. It consists of a limited number of states, and systems can only be in one state at a time. So the FSM change from one to another in response to inputs, and these changes are called transitions. So components of FSM, states represent the different conditions or situation of the system. Transitions, the movement or change from one to another, usually triggered by an input. Input symbols, the signals or data that affect the transitions. Initial states, the starting point of the system. And the final acceptance states, special states that show the completion of a process. Types of FSM. Moore machine, the output depends only on the current state. Mealy machine, the output depends on both in the current state of the input. Application of FSM, used in traffic light controllers to change light from green, yellow, and red. In vending machines, FSM controls how money accepted and products are released. In elevators, FSM manages floors, doors, and inputs and button inputs. Used in compiler design, especially in lexical analysis. Helpful in protocol design for communication system. And lastly, the importance of FSM. Finite state machines are important because they give us simple but powerful way to represent and control the behavior of the systems. They are widely used in both hardware, digital circuits, and software programming logic. Yun. That's all.